Dude, you know, that science has discovered things so weird that feel like glitches in the Matrix? From a star that shouldn't exist to a hidden ocean under the Earth's surface. But wait, if you love learning wild stuff no one else talks about, then please like and subscribe. It helps us grow and make more mind-bending content for you. Here are the top 10 weirdest scientific discoveries you've never heard of. Number 10, the frog that's invisible. Turns out glass frogs aren't just see-through. They can pull a vampire trick and remove 90% of their own blood and hide it in their livers while they sleep. Now that's some next-level camouflage. Their see-through undersides help too, because they can basically blend into their backgrounds. Talk about being the ultimate ninja. Number 9, the ocean under the Earth's surface. Ever wondered if there's more to the ocean than meets the eye? Well, there's an entire secret ocean buried for 100 miles beneath our feet. What? How is this even possible? Sea. It's not your average sea. It's a giant reservoir of water trapped inside rocks in the Earth's mantle. Scientists think this hidden water could have formed when seawater seeped into the mantle millions of years ago. And get this. This underground ocean holds more water than all the surface oceans combined. The real underworld is wet. Number 8, the fungus that's the largest living thing. Brace yourself for some seriously mind-blowing stuff. Deep in the forests of Oregon, there's a fungus that covers over 2,400 acres. That's right, the largest living thing on Earth is a fungus. The sheer size of this organism is just mind-boggling. And here's the kicker, it's all one guy. Armillaria ostoi, also known as the honey mushroom, has been spreading its mycelial network for thousands of years. But the creepiest part is how it kills trees. The fungus slowly penetrates the tree's roots, taking over the entire system and turning the tree into a fruiting body. Pretty messed up, right? Number 7, the plant that screams. Plants may not scream in the traditional sense, but they do produce ultrasonic sounds when they're stressed out. That's right. When tomato and tobacco plants experience water stress, they emit high-pitched screams that are too high for us to hear. Imagine strolling through your garden and suddenly you hear tomato plants screaming for help. It's like a horror movie come to life. So maybe those creepy plants in your neighbor's yard aren't just being mean. Number 6, the place where time starts. Look no further than the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. Because it's home to the Prime Meridian line, which marks the 0-degree longitude and serves as the starting point for all of Earth's time zones. At this exact spot, your clock comes to life. Because Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT, is the 0 point for the entire world's time. It's like the center of time itself. And it's pretty mind-blowing to think that everything we perceive in terms of time revolves around this one spot on Earth. But wait, the top 5 aren't just weird, they are illegal. Reality glitches incoming. Before these next ones break your brain, smash that like and subscribe button. Do it now, it helps more than you think. Number 5, the star that shouldn't exist. Scientists discovered a star that's older than the universe itself. It's called Methuselah's star and it's estimated to be around 14.5 billion years old. But here's the catch. The current age of the universe is only 13.8 billion years. How can a star be older than the universe? It simply doesn't make sense. Scientists were left scratching their heads wondering how something could exist before it was created. One theory suggests that the star could have formed slightly before the Big Bang, but let's be real, we don't really know. It's like finding a fossil that's older than the dinosaurs, totally mind-bending. Number 4, the animal that doesn't age. Prepare to be amazed by the immortal jellyfish, a tiny creature that can literally reverse time. When faced with danger or old age, these little guys can revert back to their original state, basically hitting the replay button on their life cycle. It's like Benjamin Button, except it's a jellyfish. The ability is known as transdifferentiation, where one cell can transform into another type of cell. And guess what? Scientists believe this power could hold the key to curing diseases like Alzheimer's. So immortal jellyfish might just be the ultimate fountain of youth. Number 3, the space roar. In 2020, NASA's Fast Radio Telescope detected a strange space noise coming from the M81 galaxy. It's a whopping 6 times louder than it should be. And to make matters even weirder, it only lasted for 80 days before vanishing into thin air. Scientists have no idea what's behind this cosmic roar. It's like trying to figure out the source of a loud noise in an empty room. But in space, just imagine sitting in your backyard one night when suddenly you hear an explosion followed by an eerie silence. That's exactly what astronomers felt when they discovered this mysterious event. Number 2. The Bloop. Back in 1997, a low-frequency underwater microphone, a hydrophone, picked up a sound so loud it shook the ocean floor. The sound known as the Bloop was 120 decibels, louder than a blue whale's call. But here's the thing, blue whales can't make such a noise. To this day, nobody knows what caused the Bloop. Conspiracy theorists blame Cthulhu, the mythical sea monster. But scientists have a few theories. Some say it could be a giant cracking sound from an iceberg, while others believe it might be a massive underwater volcano. Whatever the cause, the Bloop remains one of the biggest mysteries of the ocean. You've made it, you've survived the screaming plants, the immortal jellyfish, and the roar of space itself. But this number 1 discovery didn't just break the rules. It burned the rulebook, threw the ashes into a black hole, and forced every scientist on the planet to question everything they thought they knew. And number 1, the universe's missing matter. Buckle up for the grand finale. No one saw this coming. Over 95% of the universe is made up of dark energy and dark matter. We can't see, touch, or understand either of them. It's like trying to find Waldo in a never-ending game of hide and seek. Dark matter is all around us, holding galaxies together, including our very own Milky Way. As for dark energy, well, it's everywhere and nowhere, making up a whopping 68% of the universe. Basically, we humans are living in the cosmic equivalent of the crumbs. So in the grand scheme of things, we're just a tiny blip on the radar. And there you have it, folks, from invisible frogs to stars that defy logic. Reality and science keep surprising us with the weirdest glitches in the Matrix. Now it's time for you to join the conversation. Which of these reality glitches broke your brain the most? Smash that like and subscribe button if your perception of reality is officially shattered. Follow for more secrets the universe is hiding and comment with the number that broke you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.